Alrighty, y'all, now that we've got our bananas into the top of our springform pan here, I'm just gonna come in with a little bit of brown sugar that I'm gonna crumble on top. We've got some low-fat caramel dip, and we're just gonna use this to do a little bit across inside here. Now you can make your own caramel sauce. I just happen to have some of this left over in my fridge, and I thought it would go perfectly with these bananas. Delicious. I'm just gonna come in with my spoon here and kind of spread this out. You can leave it in caramel ribbons if you prefer. It's really all up to you, but we are just making a super easy, fun dessert today that everyone will love. Perfect for, you know, a lazy Sunday morning or your next fancy gathering. All right, now I've just got these cinnamon rolls, grand strawberry flavored. These are just so fun. I saw them at Walmart and had to give them a try. Now I was slightly disappointed that only the frosting is pink like a strawberry you would expect, but I do think there's gonna be a little added element of flavor in here. And the fun thing about these grands is you can just unroll them just like that. This one grand kind of got away from us, but that's okay. Perfect. Now I've got some whipped cream cheese here. I am just going to kind of spread this out on top of these grand cinnamon rolls. It goes so nicely together. And I just had a little bit, maybe less than half, 6 ounces or a little bit less left in this container. And so I am just going to give some delicious, delicious coverage right on top of these cinnamon rolls, just like that. Now we're just gonna use a little bit more of this caramel sauce. I'm just drizzling it with my spoon, but of course you can apply it any way you like. Y'all, I am just kind of using extra stuff I had in my fridge today. I had this leftover caramel sauce. I had a little bit of leftover cream cheese. I had these strawberry grand cinnamon rolls that I've been meaning to use for something delicious. And so we are just throwing it all together, throwing the spaghetti at the wall, as they sometimes say, and making something delicious. Alrighty. We are just adding in some more of our banana slices here. Just because it's a dessert, doesn't mean it can't be healthy. So we're just adding in our bananas to give ourselves a little bit of fiber, a little bit of vitamins, a little bit of goodness. Now I am just gonna roll these babies back up. We're losing a little bit of our cinnamon filling, but not to worry. Alrighty, I'm just bringing back in our springform pan here now. Now we're just gonna place these delicious cinnamon rolls right in here around. And these are going to expand. They're gonna fill this up nicely and be super, super tasty. Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna pop this in our oven for 35 minutes. Alrighty, guys, this smells amazing. I'm so excited for y'all to see how this came out. Shouldn't have put that down yet. What I've gotta do though is grab my plate here, because remember we put those bananas at the bottom of our springform and that caramel sauce. Ooh, I'm just gonna release my springform here and voila, it almost smells like banana bread. Voila! Isn't that gorgeous? Alrighty, we're just gonna use our glaze here that came with our cinnamon rolls. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I'm gonna go all one direction. Let's see if that pretty. Oh my gosh! See what we got here. You might want to use a knife. I'm gonna try using this little slightly serrated edge of my pie knife here. Oh, nice. I think the texture is great. It's really kind of like a monkey pull-apart bread in a way. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. And I've got someone special to give this a taste. Andrew.
Ooh, you said cinnamon rolls? I had to try this. Okay. Bananas, cinnamon rolls. Let me get some of that banana and caramel in this bite. That is delicious. Oh my goodness.
So
it's like banana bread meets a cinnamon roll. Y'all, you definitely got to try this.
you gotta try it.